Hi, I'm Larry with Alberta Laundry. With the Encores, we're going to show you how to access the service button. There is a plate that blocks it off with no access. What we are going to go through with is we're going to make notches so you can access it with a screwdriver. When these are in place, it blocks it off completely. Access button is inside there. With a screwdriver, if you pry this open, you can access to get to the service button, which is inside. If you break this, we will send it. Thank you.